Take a ride in the 2020 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, power retractable running boards, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, premium sound system. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.